Hi class, for this 60 seconds of science, we're going to be exploring cellular respiration. So the objective for this lesson in regards to cellular respiration is that I will be able to explain the inputs and outputs produced by cellular respiration and why they are necessary. So you're going to all be able to do that by the end of this video too, hopefully. So what is cellular respiration? So cellular respiration is the process of turning food particles or sugars and making them into energy. And carbon dioxide and water are also used in this. So it's the process of taking food molecules like glucose and producing energy. So first you might be thinking, where in the world does this occur in our body? Well, it occurs in our cells. So every cell goes through this process, and it's done in the mitochondria. That's why the mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell, which we went over in last week's unit on cells. So let's look at the steps that lead to cellular respiration. And now there's big, complicated, long cycles that include the electron transport chain and the citric acid cycle, and we'll look at those, but not super in depth. Those are college level things. So what's really important is we need to know, what do we put in order to have cellular respiration happen. So here we have C6H12O6. And I hope some of you know that. That's the glucose molecule. So that's glucose, that's sugar. That's what our body produces from eating these guys. We also have oxygen. So as you know, the body needs oxygen in order to survive. This is a main reason. We also have water. And you can see that the sixes means that we have to have 6 of those molecules in order for this to occur. So then this guy, we take this guy, and what is he going to make? So this is the process of cellular respiration. This is happening in the mitochondria. And we are going to make 12 water molecules. 12 water molecules, 6 carbon dioxide, so 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. And the main event is our ATPs. So if you remember from the last lesson when we introduced ATPs, this is what the body needs in order, the energy that the body needs. So next time we talk about cellular respiration, we'll go a little in depth. But I want you to think of these questions. How is cellular respiration related to photosynthesis? So think about that one. Remember, photosynthesis happens in plants. So maybe oxygen is in there somewhere. And how would you describe in your own words this sequence? Use a simple sentence. Make sure it makes sense. And what are the inputs and outputs of cellular respiration, and why are they necessary? So that's, can you meet our objective? And so just to review one more time. We take sugar, water, and oxygen in our mitochondria, and we produce water, carbon dioxide, and ATP. So next time you're using energy, thank you, mitochondria, for helping me produce this.